Hey, good afternoon guys. Pat here again with NTS Tire. As you can see here in Minnesota, winter has arrived, as it sure has in most places throughout the Midwest. We got a good blanket of snow over the Thanksgiving weekend. So today we figured we'd talk about snow tires for skid loaders. So for everybody that busted the skid loaders out of the shed to move snow over the weekend and are gonna have to do it the rest of the winter, I'm sure you probably got tired of slipping and sliding around with the factory standard R4 skid loader tires. So what we've got here is a tire wheel assembly that'll bolt right on to any existing skid loader with an 8-bolt pattern. It's actually an aggressive truck tire with a snow pattern. They sit nice and tall, so you get a lot of speed out of them as well. They grip really good with snow. Also, if you're not wanting to do that, we do have options just to replace the existing tires. This one happens to be a Nokian. You can get them in 10/16/5s, 12/16/5s, 14/17/5s in a snow pattern. The only drawback with those is they do tend to wear out a little bit faster as an all-season tire, so these have been a popular option. You can take off your existing tires and wheels, bolt these on, use them for winter, move the snow that you got to move, put the other ones back on once the snow melts, and you're good to go.